Hello, welcome to the channel. We'll do very important MCQs for biological molecules, biomolecules. For any of the competitive exam you appear, this chapter is very important. You will for sure see few MCQs. So let's begin. It forms a fluid cushion around organ that help to protect them from trauma. So the right answer is water. Why is it so? Because water is the only lubricating material present in our body. For suppose if we see example of eye, right? We do get tears, right? So tears also provide lubrication to our eyelid. So this means water is the right option here. Second, biological importance of water is polarity. Yeah, universal solvent. Yes, water is a universal solvent. This means it is easy to dissolve in any of the polar or ionic material or substance. High specific heat and height of vaporization. So yeah, that's true. So if we see D option, that contains all above options. So the right answer begins. Right answer is D. Polarity, universal solvent, and high specific heat and height of vaporization either. So the third question is the heat required to convert 1 gram of liquid vapors into boiling point is called as heat of vaporization. A specific heat is something else. Neutralization means to neutralize. This MCQs is very important. I mean, just learn it. It's a memory based, and because whenever you see 1 gram of liquid is converted to vapors, so vapors, this means liquid is converted into gases and boiling. So this means this is called as heat of vaporization. Then comes protoplasm. Protoplasm is simply cytoplasm plus nucleus, that's called as protoplasm. So in living cells, this is called as living cell, like living part of the cell, which can survive if water content is so the answer is 10. You might get confused with other, but learn this either because they're asking the minimum content. So protoplasm can only survive when we have like at least like minimum of 10% of the water present. Fourth MCQ says all are the biological importance of water except. So this means one will not be agree to this one. So polar molecule, yeah, water is a polar molecule. Universal solvent, yes, this means it allows to dissolve everything like polar substance. High specific heat and height of vaporization, yes, that's even true. Last is water expand at heat temperature. So if we take one container of water and we start boiling them, right? So if we boil them, so it will reduce to half, not expand. So D is the right. This means this is not property of water. The amount of sixth question is the amount of heat energy required to raise temperature 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. That's also called as heat of vaporization. Seventh question is it is a process in which large organic molecules are synthesized and water molecule is removed. So that's called as condensation. Condensation is a process in which you will see like a big molecule is formed by the removal of water. Hydrolysis means process where you require water, but in condensation you don't. So the right answer is B. Then comes sorry, which one of the following is not correct about water? So water has high specific heat. Okay, what is height of vaporization? What is not universal solvent? Water exhibit a strong cohesion attention. Yeah, so if we see water has high specific, yeah, you agree this have. But if you see C option, which is water is not universal solvent, from like in these MCQs, when we saw the MCQs which already says it's a universal solvent. Why this property? Because without water life is not possible. So water is very important, and so it also called as universal solvent. So C is the wrong option here. Ice floats because if we see ice, it floats on the water. So it's because it is less denser than the water. Yeah, A is the right option. Which one of the following is not property of water? One is the property which is not of the water. So let's see if we see strong surface tension. So yeah, this resistance to flow of water is called as viscosity. That is also very important. So if you see, if we contain like if we have a one container and we fill up with the water, so we see sometimes surface tension. So yeah, this means this is right. C option is very good solvent. So yeah, water is a good solvent, which means it has ability to dissolve some other solvent, other solute. For suppose if we add salt or sugar, so these are very easy to be dilute or like mix up. And hydrophilic properties, so yeah, hydrophilic either. If you have studied cell structure, that chapter that we know, we make plasma membrane. So there we have two type of structure like this one, hydrophobic and hydrophilic. Phobic means to hate, philic means to love. So water loving are called as hydrophobic properties. This means they love water. So this means B is right, like B, C, D all agree to the properties of water. But if we see B option, which is hydrophobic properties, this is wrong because water is not hydrophobic. Phobic means to hate water, but water doesn't. Like in plasma membrane we see. So this means A is the right option here. Okay. Then after taking a shower, you notice that some water droplets are clinging to shower curtain. This is example of addition. This is because if you add, like if you shower and like you might have seen, of course everyone does, but like here if you see, like here this type of water droplets are already present. That's because of addition forces. Like because addition means a property where water or anything stick. This word even means to stick or to attract. So addition is the right option here. To the formation of large molecule from two small molecules with the removal of water, so that's also condensation. Okay, so here condensation is not the right answer. Dehydrogenation synthesis is the right answer because this is a process where the formation of large molecule take place, but there's also removal of water, so that's important. Then water is dash. What is a good solute? Serve as a enzyme. Universal solvent serves as energy currency. So energy currency simply is about ATP. ATP is the energy currency which is made in mitochondria, the crystal, some structures in that. It's a good solute, yeah, it is a good solute. But if you see other options like serve as enzymes, so here like protein serves as enzyme. Some protein are basically enzymes. Like enzymes simply are biological catalyst which speed up the reaction. So good solute, yeah, we can keep it aside, but the service enzyme and serves the energy currency both are the wrong option. C option says it's a universal solvent. So if you see good solute is also not right. If sorry, my bad, solute, if here it would be good solvent. So solvent means liquid part, solute means some kind of substance like adding salt or sugar. So a good solute, no, water is a good solvent, right? So here if water is a good solvent, not solute, so C is the right option. C is the right option, which means a universal solvent. Yes. Till here we only have biological molecule MCQs. Rest we'll do enzymes MCQs, which are also provided here. So see you then.